What's up, guys? This is Chase, and today I am going to be installing or trying to install the Envision dash from Autometer. Russell's out mowing some yards. I came to the warehouse, didn't have anything to do, so I was like, I'm gonna try to put this dash in. So I'm gonna bring y'all along and see if we can't mess some stuff up. Alright, so I've already started taking off some of the screws. Hook this piece off right here. Finding all the screws on the dash, taking them off. Now, cluster's out. Now the gauge is back here I've got to take out so I can install this other dash. This is what we're installing in this 84C10 project. It's the Autometer Envision Direct Fit. It's got like a, here, I'll show you. There it is. Man, this is nice. Got already all the wiring connected back in the back. We just got to follow the instructions on how to hook it up. It's gonna be nice. The instructions said to start removing this right here, and it looks like it's going to be a 7mm. It's out. Why does it say 86? Does that have anything to do with what year this came out of? Because I've been saying this is an 84 this whole time. Maybe this got replaced. I don't have a clue. Now it's out. Now, on to the next step. I think I'm at a stopping point because there is this little switch right here. I was following this wire all the way through the firewall and comes out over here. All these wires, and then it somehow goes to this. Russell has it labeled. So I'm thinking transmission. I don't know why there would be a switch in the inside for the transmission. I think I'm gonna wait till Russell gets back so I don't mess anything up because I hate wiring. All right, since I ditched the project on the Autometer gauges for the C10, I need to work on creating some awnings for the doors on the outside of the building, because what's happening, I believe, is water is getting in the building when it's hitting up against the side of it and it's coming down underneath the door. So I'm going to create a awning out of this hood off of the unibody truck that's on the wall on the outside. So I have a plan. I have a couple plans. Play it by ear. So come on. All right, I'm gonna try out this new Sentinel from ESAB. My wife got me this for Christmas. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, that's not working. Whoa, it's not working. It's on grind. All right, I'm gonna weld these two pieces of angle iron. This is some of the trim left over from the office. And so I'm gonna weld this piece together to attach to the wall, to attach to the back side of this hood. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I had to put the microphones on the charger, but while they were charging, I went ahead and drilled 6 holes in this angle iron and got my masonry bit ready and my other bit for these screws. So we're gonna go outside and kind of get an idea of how high we want to put this on the wall. Need to go get a drill bit to drill through that metal. We'll be back. I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. We've got the angle iron up. I think I might go to Lowe's or somewhere to go get some chain. That's what I need next, is some chain. So I'm probably gonna do that and then take it to the house because I'm tired. But anyways, guys, we'll pick up on this tomorrow. So I have already started working for the day. It's Saturday. No one else is here but me. But I'm working on this awning right now. And let's go look at what I've already done for the day. All right, where I've got for the day. I've got it up there, put the hood up there. Need to attach some washer and a nut. But now I've got to build something that's gonna go from here all the way to over here, a bracket, just a bracket to keep this front end from falling down. So I'm gonna go back inside and fabricate something, and hopefully it works. Yep, let's go try that now. All right, angle iron, that's what we need.
Can you see that?
Looks good! What I'm gonna do is weld this right here, and up here is where it's attached to the wall. It's gonna have 4 screws attaching it to the wall. So I think that will probably be enough to hold this up on both sides, of course. Put it on both sides. But anyways, I'm gonna keep going, keep getting this done. I'm gonna call it quits for the day, and it's working, it's up there. We'll see if it protects us from the rain. I think it looks cool. See y'all next time.